Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to highlight cells which contain specific text with the help of conditional formatting. First of all, we should know where we can find the command conditional formatting on our Excel screen. For this, we have to go to the Home tab and under Styles group, here we can find the option for conditional formatting. So with the help of this conditional formatting, we will see how we can highlight the cells which contain specific text. For your easy reference, I have prepared a dummy data on this Excel sheet. So the data is like I have listed marks of few students like student A, B, C likewise, and marks obtained by each student in the subject science, maths, English. And here in this column I have calculated the total. Here I have calculated the percentage, and here I have calculated the grades obtained by each student. So we will see how we can highlight these grades with the help of conditional formatting. So these grades are the text values. So with these text values, we will see how we can highlight this with the help of conditional formatting. So to proceed further, first step is that we have to select all the cells from which we want to highlight the cell values which contain specific text. After that, we have to go to the Home tab and under Styles group, here we have to click on the conditional formatting. In this, we have to click on the first option, that is highlight cells rules. And out of further appeared options, we have to click on the option that is text that contains. Once we click on that, we can see that text that contains dialog box will appear on our screen. Now, if we want to highlight the grades, grade A, so we will put value A here and we will select the formatting style as green fill with the dark green text and we will click on the OK button. We can see that there is only one place where grade A is obtained by student E. So this value A is highlighted with the selected formatting style. If we want to highlight value C, then again we have to follow the same procedure. We have to select all the cells. Then we have to go to the Home tab. Under Styles group, we have to click on the conditional formatting. Then we have to click on the highlight cells rules and again we have to click here text that contains. So here we want to highlight the value C, so we will type C in the first input, that is format cells that contain text C, and formatting style we will change here something like light red with dark red text and click on the OK button. We can see that all the cells which contains text C or letter C is now highlighted with the selected formatting style. This is just basic concept. We will see now some advanced trick which we can apply here in this case. So here I have prepared a dummy data. So I have randomly selected or listed few English words as we want to highlight the cells that contain specific text. So I have listed here few words which contain text values, and here I have highlighted one cell with yellow color. So what we will do, as we type any specific text in the this yellow highlighted cell, all the cells from this area will get highlighted automatically. So how we can do this? First we have to select all the cells from which we wish to highlight the values or text. Then we have to go to the Home tab. Under Styles group, here we have to click on the conditional formatting. Again, click on the first option. Then here we have to click on the text that contains. Again, our text that contains dialog box will appear on our screen. Now, here in the first input, previously we have typed letter A or letter C as per the grades which we wish to highlight it. But here, instead of typing the value manually, what we will do, we will provide the reference of this yellow highlighted cell. How? We have to press equal to button in this first input value, and we have to just select the yellow highlighted cell, and we have to click on the OK button. Now all the values are highlighted. Why? Because we have not provided any input yet. For example, if we type A here and press enter, you can see that all the cells which contain letter A will get highlighted. If we change the text here, our output will automatically change. If we type C here, all the cells which contains letter C or text C will get highlighted here. We can type more than one letter as well. For example, if I type CAR, that is car, in this yellow highlighted cell, you can see that all the cells which contain these three alphabets will get highlighted. For example, this is car, care, and career. All these three letters or all these three cell values are now highlighted with the selected formatting style. So this is basic concept as well as some advanced trick which we can use with this conditional formatting to highlight cells which contain specific text. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.